Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something real funny and fast. I'm going to show you how to take an image from your Mac OS and put it in your Apple II. That's right, there's this small application called Buckshot. This was created by a friend of mine, Dagan Brock. He's an amazing programmer and he did this little application. So this is what it does. You select a source image. At this point is going to be this sample PNG, and this is my logo, of course. Just for you to know, of course, I had to compress it a little bit because in the Apple II, because they're not square pixels, it will make it elongated. So I compress it to start up so it looks actually round on when we open it up on the Apple IIc. So immediately it also opens the source and it shows a preview on how it's going to look on the Apple II. This is already very cool. This is low resolution. We can do double low resolution, HDR, double HDR, and mono. It's telling you the resolution of the source and how it's going to be the scale. Okay, right now let's do something. What about HDR? So it's kind of normal on the Apple II, and it's going to scale to resolution, full scale. There's a lot of options that we can do over here. As you can see, we can actually do, classic, higher resolution, 640 by 400, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to leave it over here. And then also you can do crosshatch. What does it mean? It makes that crosshatching that it's very normal in the Apple II to simulate other colors that are not there. And we can play around with it, see until we really like it. This is looking like more like a skin tone, but I lost the beard. So same thing, it lost some things when you gain some others. So you play with that a little bit. There's my beard back, and it doesn't look that bad. Let me move a little bit more. I think something like this looks good. Yeah, something like that. And also you can color bleed reduction. I don't see too much change over here, but I think it's just my image that is not precisely very good. So anyway, and also we got dithering, and there's a bunch of different options. So again, it all depends on your image, but some of them look different, some of them look good, others better than others. So I kind of like Buckles. I think this is from Bill Buckles, and the Floyd Stanford. The Floyd Stanford is pretty good. So let's leave it like that. So we're showing a live preview, of course. This is the palettes that you can look for, and you can do a save preview as a PNG. So you can save output as a local binary, and this is my favorite, the output as a Protos image. Why? Because I don't have to worry too much about other things, converting, reading, something like that. So I am going to click over here, and it's going to ask you, where do I want it? I want it on my desktop. And what's the name? I'm just going to put Habo. And this is going to be a Protos image that it's going to create for me. So I save it. Oh, which one I have? 140, 800, or 32 meg size. So I say a floppy drive, so 140. What's the name of the file inside? So I'm just going to put another name, Hab, just to make sure, and say okay. While we're here, let's do another one. Let's do a mono. That looks nice. And let's take out this, as mono doesn't need too many dithering or anything like that. And let me see if I can, instead of making a floppy, let's see if I can put it inside that floppy. Oh, maybe I can't. Oh no. No, let's do another floppy. Why not? So I'm gonna do another floppy. How about 2? Let's put it on the desktop again. Save 140. JAA, just to change it, and that's it. If I go and look into my desktop, I actually have two images already. Okay, so now let's run Apple II desktop and open up with Virtual 2. I can at this point convert my files and everything, but I think this is okay. So I'm starting Apple II desktop. I'm at normal speed. I can go faster, but I think I'm good. Okay, it's looking, that was a little bit slow. I didn't actually mount the floppies, so let's mount the floppies. So insert 1, Havo, and then insert 2, Havo 2. And let's do a special check all drives. And there they are. So let's open one. Double click on it. And guess what? Oh yeah, we want to see it in color. This is nice. This is really nice in color. It's an Apple II format. And of course, when I get out, because I'm in color, I don't see very well this, but let's try the other one, the mono. And double click on it. Look at this. It is cool. Of course, if I go to color, it's not going to look that nice because it's just the mono version. But I think it's really cool. It looks really nice and very close to the original one. So there you have it, guys. What do you think? I just quickly converted a normal image from my Macintosh computer. It's a PNG, so I'm sure you can do that also on a PC, and convert it to an Apple II format so you can add it to your games, to your images, whatever you want to put on your desktop. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you like this one. This is a quick demo on how to do this. And remember, if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.